Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their weight loss goals effortlessly, while others struggle despite their best efforts? The answer lies within the incredible power of the mind. Yes, you heard that right. Your mind, both conscious and subconscious, holds the key to unlocking your weight loss potential and achieving the body of your dreams. We often focus solely on external factors like diet and exercise, but true transformation begins from within. By understanding and harnessing the power of your mind, you can create lasting change and experience quick and sustainable weight loss. This essay will delve into the fascinating relationship between your mind and body, and how you can utilize this connection to achieve your weight loss goals. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery as we explore the incredible potential that lies dormant within you. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to quick weight loss by tapping into the conscious and subconscious power of your mind. It's time to unleash the power within and create the healthy, vibrant life you deserve. Imagine your mind as a powerful ship, capable of navigating the vast ocean of life. Your conscious mind is the captain of this ship, responsible for making decisions and charting the course. It's the part of you that is aware of your surroundings, thoughts, and feelings in this very moment. When it comes to weight loss, your conscious mind plays a crucial role in setting goals, making healthy choices, and staying motivated. It's responsible for choosing nutritious foods over sugary treats, opting for a workout instead of hitting the snooze button, and pushing through challenges with determination. Your conscious mind is your ally in the fight against excess weight. By making a conscious effort to prioritize your health, you take charge of your actions and steer your ship towards a healthier, happier you. Start by setting realistic goals and creating a plan that aligns with your values and aspirations. Remember, every time you make a healthy choice, you're reinforcing positive habits and moving closer to your desired outcome. Your conscious mind is a powerful tool for change, so use it wisely and watch as you begin to create incredible transformations in your life. While the conscious mind acts as the captain, guiding the ship with deliberate decisions and clear intentions, the subconscious mind is the powerful engine room that drives your ship, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. This hidden realm of your mind is responsible for your habits, beliefs, and automatic responses. It's the autopilot that ensures you brush your teeth every morning, tie your shoes without thinking, and react instinctively in familiar situations. It operates below the level of conscious awareness, influencing your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in profound ways. Every emotion you feel, every spontaneous reaction you have, is often a product of this subconscious processing. Think of your subconscious mind as a vast storehouse of information, shaped by your past experiences, memories, and beliefs. It's like a library filled with volumes of your life story, each book representing a different aspect of who you are. It's where your deepest desires, fears, and limiting beliefs reside. These elements can either propel you forward or hold you back, depending on how they've been written into your subconscious narrative. When it comes to weight loss, the subconscious can be both a powerful ally and a formidable obstacle, depending on the messages it's programmed with. If your subconscious believes in your ability to succeed, it will support your efforts with unwavering determination. However, if you've been conditioned to believe that you lack willpower or that you're destined to struggle with your weight, your subconscious mind will continue to sabotage your efforts, no matter how hard you try to consciously change. This internal conflict can lead to frustration and a sense of defeat. That's why it's crucial to tap into the power of the subconscious and reprogram it with positive, empowering beliefs that support your weight loss goals. Techniques such as meditation, positive affirmations, and visualization can help you rewrite the script of your subconscious mind. By aligning your conscious and subconscious minds, you create a powerful synergy that propels you towards success. This alignment ensures that every part of you is working towards the same goal, making your journey smoother and more effective. In the next section, we'll explore practical techniques to access and reprogram your subconscious mind, unleashing its incredible potential to transform your body and your life. These methods will empower you to harness the full power of your mind, creating lasting change and achieving your weight loss goals with greater ease and confidence. Section 4. Visualizations and affirmations. Reprogramming for success. Now that we understand the power of the subconscious mind, Let's explore effective techniques to reprogram it for weight loss success. The subconscious mind is like a fertile garden, and what you plant in it will grow. By using the right techniques, you can cultivate a mindset that supports your weight loss journey. Two powerful tools at your disposal are visualizations and affirmations. These techniques are not just about thinking positively, they are about creating a new reality in your mind that your body will follow. Visualizations involve creating vivid mental pictures of yourself at your desired weight, feeling healthy, confident, and vibrant. Imagine every detail from the way your clothes fit to the energy you feel. The more real you can make these images in your mind, the more effective they will be. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualizations, the more effectively they impress upon your subconscious mind. Think about the emotions you will feel when you reach your goal. Feel the pride, the joy, and the sense of accomplishment. These emotions are powerful motivators. Imagine yourself effortlessly slipping into your favorite outfit, feeling proud and radiant. Picture yourself receiving compliments from friends and family, and how good it feels to be recognized for your hard work and dedication. Visualize yourself making healthy food choices with ease and enjoying the feeling of energy and vitality that comes with taking care of your body. See yourself reaching for fresh fruits and vegetables, savoring each bite, and feeling satisfied and nourished. As you consistently engage in these visualizations, your subconscious mind begins to accept them as reality, paving the way for real-life transformations. Over time, these mental images will become a natural part of your thought process, guiding your actions and decisions. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly, both silently and aloud. They are like seeds that you plant in your subconscious mind, which will grow into new beliefs and behaviors. These affirmations should be phrased in the present tense, as if they are already true, even if they contradict your current reality. This helps to create a sense of immediacy and urgency, making it easier for your subconscious mind to accept them. For example, you might repeat affirmations like, "I am healthy and fit." This statement reinforces the belief that you are already on the path to health and fitness, even if you are just starting out. "I love and nourish my body with healthy foods." This affirmation encourages you to make better food choices and to see eating healthy as an act of self-love and care. Or, "I am easily achieving my weight loss goals." This statement helps to remove any mental barriers or doubts you may have about your ability to lose weight. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more your subconscious mind begins to accept them as truth, shifting your beliefs and behaviors accordingly. Over time, these new beliefs will become second nature, guiding your actions and helping you to stay on track. By consistently practicing visualizations and affirmations, you're essentially rewriting the script of your subconscious mind, setting the stage for effortless and sustainable weight loss. This process takes time and patience, but the results are well worth the effort. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool for change, and with consistent effort, you can reprogram it to create the body and life of your dreams. Stay committed to your practice, and watch as your subconscious mind works to turn your visualizations and affirmations into reality. Section 5. Mindful eating, tuning into your body's signals. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of mindless eating, gobbling down food without paying attention to our body's signals. We often find ourselves eating on the go, in front of screens or while multitasking, barely noticing the food we're consuming. We eat while we work, watch TV, or scroll through social media, often consuming far more than our bodies need. This habit of distracted eating can lead to a lack of awareness about how much we're eating and how it makes us feel. This disconnect between mind and body can lead to overeating, weight gain, and a host of health issues. When we don't listen to our body's signals, we might ignore feelings of fullness or eat out of habit rather than hunger. Mindful eating, on the other hand, is about bringing awareness and intention to the act of eating. It's a practice that encourages us to be present in the moment and to fully engage with our food. It's about savoring each bite, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. By doing so, we can enhance our eating experience and derive more satisfaction from our meals, and recognizing your body's signals of hunger and fullness. This awareness helps us to eat in response to our body's needs rather than external cues or emotional triggers. When you practice mindful eating, you transform the act of eating from a mindless habit into a conscious and enjoyable experience. It becomes a time to nourish your body and mind rather than just a routine task. One simple but effective mindful eating technique is to put your fork down between bites. This small action can make a big difference in how you experience your meal. This allows you to fully chew and savor your food, giving your body time to register feelings of fullness and satisfaction, preventing you from mindlessly shoveling food into your mouth. Eating slowly and deliberately can help you enjoy your food more and eat less overall. As you eat, pay attention to your body's signals. Notice how your stomach feels, how the food tastes, and how your body responds to each bite. Are you truly hungry, or are you eating out of boredom, stress, or emotional triggers? Taking a moment to reflect on your motivations for eating can help you make more mindful choices. By learning to differentiate between physical hunger and emotional eating, you can make more conscious choices that support your weight loss goals. This awareness can lead to healthier eating habits and a better relationship with food. Remember, mindful eating is not about deprivation or restriction, it's about enjoying your food and listening to your body's needs. It's about cultivating a healthy and enjoyable relationship with food, one that allows you to appreciate the nourishment and pleasure that food provides, one that nourishes your body and mind. By tuning in to your body's signals and practicing mindful eating, you can create a more balanced and fulfilling approach to food and health. You can get Richard Trillionmanti's weight loss book called "You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight" from his website richardmanti.com, and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos.